I lied to him about not being like other girls on my period.
You aren't, you're worse.
I did, of course, the big lie, man. Which told her that this mark over here.
Calm down.
So I have come home after a workout, everything, whatever. And I'm sitting there and Viraf has told me 4 things that are wrong about me. After that conversation was over, I was like, Viraf, now please say 2 things nice about me. Bro, he didn't say it. You know what he said? He said, थोड़ा मुश्किल हो रहा है, आ नहीं रहा.
बोलना आंटी आऊँ क्या?
बोलना आंटी आऊँ क्या?
तू चाहती है तो मैं आऊँगा.
बोलना आंटी आऊँ क्या?
बच्चों तुम्हारा हो गया हो तो शुरू करें.
And 2 cups.
Check, 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 check.
Check, 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 check.
Check, 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 check.
Welcome to Two Girls and 2 Cups. आज का एपिसोड बहुत ही स्पेशल है क्योंकि ये एक कपल स्पेशल एपिसोड है.
So all the rumors are coming true.
Couple special, where Srishti with her husband and me with mine were supposed to do this together, but mine is.
Yeah.
Let me tell you something. Before marriage, he used to be 5 minutes early. कहीं भी हम जाते थे ना, वो 5 मिनट जल्दी आता था. ठीक है. Now, अब I don't know how he used to manage that. He was always on time. मैंने कभी भी I don't think wait किया उसका. But after marriage, that 5 minutes has become 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 50 minutes. Like आज का call time was 1, and I just want to show you what the time is right now.
It's 2:15.
He has just arrived in his half chaddi.
Sorry, I apologize for my tight
What is a half chaddi?
Half pant.
Half pant.
चड्डी में आया है, मतलब रेडी होके भी नहीं आया है. और मैं क्यों कंप्लेन करूँ जैसे वो मेरा हस्बैंड है.
But it's irritating.
I feel you.
These are the things before and after marriage जो change हो गई हैं और बहुत ज़्यादा change हो गई है. And I don't think ऐसा होना चाहिए. तुम्हारी लाइफ में ऐसा कुछ change हुआ?
Am I a late comer?
Yeah.
Absolutely no sexual jokes here.
Oh, acha. Then.
This podcast is not about sex.
Yeah, let's not just make it about
Also, yeah, let's change the narrative here.
Okay.
Let's make it more serious, educational.
sex. Yeah.
Let's.
क्योंकि हम दोनों educational
Yes.
podcast run करने के लिए
Yes.
बहुत लगे.
Of
Nice.
course.
Some
wow.
aunties also
Nice.
talking in. Who is that? That's a speaker.
Yeah, she said Bluetooth is a connected, a successful eye.
हाँ, so say.
Let me ask you a simple question. What was an impression of me? It could be anything. It could be a certain kind of behavior or a trait that you later realized was, fuck, she lied. She lied to me. This was a lie.
But it was cute. Like.
Oh, it was cute. It was cute.
I briefed him before the episode.
नहीं सच बता.
I think you were. Remember, you told me that you assumed that I am somebody who's always up to date with current affairs. So you started reading about.
तूने इसको बता दिया? कि
नहीं,
क्या?
because that's the only thing.
नहीं,
Because
मैंने उसको बोला था कि मैंने ये किया था बहुत पहले.
आई थिंक हर कोई ऐसा करता है कि अपने जब तुम डेट कर रहे होते हो ना तुम कुछ कुछ झूठ बोलते हो उसको इम्प्रेस करने के लिए क्योंकि उस टाइम तुम्हें ये नहीं पता था कि तुम्हारी शादी हो जाएगी. लाइक ठीक है, इवन इफ यू आर लुकिंग एट अ लॉन्ग टर्म थिंग यू डोंट नो कि फक शादी हो जाएगी एंड दिस इज आई कांट कीप दिस
You'll
अप
have
फॉर
to
माय
eventually say the truth.
तूने क्या झूठ बोला?
He was always very up to date with anything to do with politics.
हाँ.
जब हम
Still
बात
am.
कर रहे थे, I think
Still
the whole Pulwama thing was happening, and I was purposely watching the news constantly
हाँ.
and reading the newspaper every morning. Newspaper मेरे घर पे नहीं आता था, मैंने subscribe किया है newspaper के लिए so that I can read. But then the problem is कि news Twitter पे पहले आ जाता है.
हाँ.
और न्यूज़पेपर पे बाद
24 घंटा
तो वो
late है ना.
फालतू न्यूज़ जो मुझे मिल रहा था was pointless. So and eventually I just read the horoscope and through the newspaper.
तो तू इससे बात करने के लिए न्यूज़ पढ़ती थी कि
हाँ, and then I would be like देखा कैसे वो कैसे I don't remember anymore because clearly I don't read the newspaper anymore.
But that was
So that
very
has
cute
changed.
because she assumed that the only thing she could talk to me about was
News.
current affairs.
I lied to him about not being like other girls on my period.
You aren't, you're worse. You are the worst.
Yeah, so
person on
actually
the
it wasn't a lie.
It wasn't a
But I
lie.
told him ये लड़कियाँ ना बहुत झूठ बोलती है, उनको बस attention चाहिए होता है when they're on a period. Actually, I'm like a very chill girl on my period. He's like, wow, that's amazing. So you don't have like mood swings? Not at all. I'm just.
Oh yeah.
I'm very.
But I knew you were lying because this is what every girl says.
You knew.
Every girl
No,
said, I
but
didn't
you
say
were
this.
so impressed that day. You were like, Oh my God, that's why you are different.
But
Which is
you are
now a red
different.
flag for me. If a guy ever says you are not like other girls, I want to slap him across his face.
What does he mean?
Yeah,
So
first
you
of all, why is another guy telling you all of this?
I'm saying if he does. If.
Why in this hypothetical
my
scenario?
husband is here, guys. Let's
Can you
ask
please
him
Viraf
come
the
bhai,
same question.
let's ask Viraf. He might have things he wants to say.
You do the episode from the outside only today.
I generally do that only.
Huh?
What? Do it from the outside.
ऊपर से.
Guys, this is not
This
supposed
is
to be
not
a
a sexual podcast. This is an educational
मैं
podcast.
बताती हूँ मैंने क्या झूठ बोला है. मैंने झूठ बोला कि विराट
पर तुम्हारे हाथ ऐसे क्यों हो जाते हैं?
But वो ऐसे explain
Because
करती
it's
है
like-
ना.
Defense है ना.
बोलना आंटी आऊँ क्या?
like बोलना आंटी आऊँ क्या?
बोलना आंटी आऊँ क्या? मैं लगाऊँ क्या?
बोल and he doesn't do it
It's
like
like
that.
तू चाहती है तो मैं आऊँगा.
बोलना आंटी आऊँ क्या?
बच्चों तुम्हारा हो गया हो तो शुरू करें. We
So
don't have all
मैंने
day.
इसको बोला कि so Viraf is that guy जो सुबह उठ के म्यूजिक सुनता है and his music is very like Frank Sinatra and like what is this
वही
Beethoven-
याद आया ना तुझे Frank
Beethoven.
Sinatra.
बस मैंने बहुत मुश्किल से याद किए थे नाम Beethoven
Love some
and-
coffee.
और कौन से पियानिस्ट जिसके
Of
नंबर्स
course.
होते हैं
Enya,
Kenya?
Hans Zimmer,
Hans Zimmer तो
Hans Zimmer we know.
Hans Zimmer I know because of Inception but what about
Max Richter.
नहीं what are the piano numbers
Piano numbers.
हाँ
अरे
all
कोई-
their
कोई होते हैं ना compositions के नाम ऐसे नाम.
अच्छा, 468,
हाँ, the Beethoven
Opus 23.
Symphony.
Opus 23 and all that तो मैंने इसको बोला
These are all
I-
what like
Listen, वो
अच्छा
instrument.
तुम लोग को अकेले ही बात करनी है तो तुम लोग आए क्यों? वो बात कर रही है ना.
अच्छा sorry यार.
We'll use this same line on them. Good.
You can't because it's our show.
ठीक है भाई, sorry. हाँ, continue. What were you saying?
I think today's episode is going to be very irritable because the husbands are here. I
Yeah,
have a
so
feeling.
we need to avoid
नहीं,
any
दूसरे
other
का हाथ पकड़ना
irritations
पड़ेगा.
because the main irritation
We
is
are
right
holding
here.
our hands through this episode.
So-
today.
And let's try not
People will
cutting
make
people
something
off.
else of this only. Please don't do all of
ये
this.
अलग ही swapping हो
ये
गया.
कुछ और ही ये
It
कुछ
was
और-
swapping, but
हमारी
not
ऑडियंस का दिमाग
the
बहुत ही
wrong
गंदा है.
swapping.
It was reverse swapping.
No, I believe in my audience and I feel like my audience is very, very gentle and intellectual and they're not always thinking about sex. Right, boys?
Why are you looking at her and saying?
And why are you doing this to your lips, right?
I
But
just spat while speaking, so I just removed the spit.
very convenient. Spat at the wrong time. Okay, wait 1 second. हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं कि लोग usually शादी से पहले कुछ झूठ बोलते हैं क्योंकि उन्हें पता नहीं होता शादी हो जाएगी और शादी के बाद वो पकड़ जाते हैं. तो मेरा झूठ तो मैं I mean यही था that I kind of said that I'm so into music. फिर मैंने YouTube पे डाला the most like the what is it called the music that is very very award winning and this and that and then I found a couple of videos.
Music that is very, very award winning and all that. The music that is very, very award winning and all that.
And I found these videos, okay, and they were like black and white, and there's this sexy girl
Music
singing.
black and white कैसे हो सकता है?
अरे
The
videos
video
are
is
black and white.
yeah. And the music, and then I downloaded all of it, and then I would like, have you heard this? Like he would say, have you heard this song? And I would be like, but have you heard this?
And then?
it became a competition.
And then he would say, wow, I didn't know you also listen to this
Then
kind of
2
music.
years after into the marriage, he's like, maybe तुम music नहीं सुनती इतना? You used to listen to a lot of music. What happened?
Oh, so that was
I
your
was
way
like,
of impressing him.
Cut to your daughter is dancing on Tera Ni Main Lover.
And I'm dancing with her. So then I introduced him to Punjabi music, which is the Delhi side of me, which is which is like the boyfriend and Karan Aujla and all of that.
Yeah, तेरे उत्ते मैं मर जाऊँ
So
तेरे
I hyped up my music interest to form a connection. I wanted to impress him.
Hey, I'm curious to know, what did you lie about anything before you got married?
Everything. I mean, everything.
Oh yeah.
That I'll be very sincere.
No, I'm seriously asking.
Loyal, honest.
Loyal? You have to. You
And
are
that
loyal.
some-
right?
Okay, jokes
समझदार.
apart. I seriously want to know. Did you
मेरे
actually
किसी
like she's
ज्योतिष
saying
ने
that she
तुझे
lied
बोला था
about
ना कि
music?
one of
Because
you will
I
cheat.
can't honestly think of anything that I probably lied about.
And you wish that it's you.
Is it possible that you lied about anything?
I did, of course, the big lie, man.
Which
I told
was?
her that this mark
I
over
can
here,
calm
Baal
down,
to-
calm down.
Viraf has a mark.
We got it.
actually
Which is a stab.
which is actually like what is that pimple gone wrong? And then
बाल
they
तोड़
have-
बोलते हैं उसको
बाल
हिंदी
तोड़.
में.
Yeah.
And I
Pimple
told
gone
her
wrong
this
is a
is
very
like
sophisticated
then I
term.
was like, this is actually a stab wound. And I forgot that I told her. I thought I'll pull off the joke.
मुझे कहता है, oh this, I got stabbed. I was like, you got stabbed? Yeah, I was trying to rescue a girl. I said, rescue a girl? He's like, there was a bar fight and this guy was being very this thing with her. तो थोड़ा violent हो रहा था, तो मैंने उसको वो रोका, उसने मुझे चाकू मार दिया. फिर मैं hospital गया, मेरा operation हुआ नहीं हुआ. मैंने कहा, oh my god, baby, you are so brave. Cut to 3 years later, he's telling me about this painful night. ठीक है, कि मैं रात भर दर्द में था. कुछ आमिर खान की स्टोरी बता रहा है. मैं रात भर दर्द में था, मेरे को इतनी दर्द हो रही थी. मैंने वो ऑपरेशन कराया था और वो I was like, कहाँ कराया था तूने ऑपरेशन? यहाँ. I was like, ये मार्क वो है? हाँ. I was like, do you not remember what you told me? He's like, what I told you? I said, you said you got stabbed saving a girl. He's like, oh, I told you that or what? I must have.
It's too late now.
I was like, मैंने तुझसे शादी कर ली यार इस चक्कर में कि कभी मुझे कोई करेगा.
Is that really one of the reasons why you married him?
There are
Like it played a big part in like.
He was this macho, like he saved a girl and all. Yeah, it's a big deal.
Wow.
He's not macho now.
He is.
He's macho.
The macho. Today especially for being fucking late.
But do you think, okay, let me ask you a question. If tomorrow, me with you and her with you, obviously.
Yeah, we have to
Very
clarify on this
specific.
We have to
podcast. Very
keep
specific.
clarifying.
You have to be on this
Keep
podcast.
clarifying. We're walking in a सुनसान गली, बहुत देर रात है, एक आदमी बहुत ही हट्टा कट्टा आता है और मुझे छेड़ने की कोशिश करता है. क्या तुम उसके
अगर
साथ
तू और
fight
मैं साथ
करोगी?
चल रहे तो तुझे ही छेड़ेगा क्या? You sure?
हम साथ नहीं चल रहे हैं.
फिर ठीक
Hey,
है.
don't be mean to
इसलिए
my
मैंने
wife. okay?
अलग-अलग
वो
scenarios
छेड़ेगा
दिए.
उसे, ठीक है? मेरी बीवी बहुत सुंदर है. How dare you? This is really fucked up.
I
Guys,
have a feeling.
I am not a
But
part
can I
of
tell you
this
something?
jokes.
I have a feeling कि ये उसे ना छेड़ दे. She is that person. But yeah.
नहीं पर
ठीक है.
अगर वो छेड़े फॉर एग्जाम्पल तो तुम क्या उसको मारोगे या तुम उसके साथ मांडवली करोगे?
Mandavli.
मतलब like negotiation.
How do you negotiate with
I
someone
don't
who's
know.
trying to?
What
भैया,
will you do is the question. What will you do and what will you do?
Okay, if somebody is trying to do.
I'll do
छेड़ो-
it. I'll do it. ए, आती है क्या?
अभी मैं क्या तेरे साथ नेगोशिएट
दीदी
करूंगा
देखो
कि
क्या
भैया
कर रही
500
है,
में जाने
कर रहा
दीजिए प्लीज यार मत कीजिए. नेगोशिएट थोड़ी करता है कोई.
तो क्या करोगे?
क्या करेगा?
उसको बोलूंगा भगाऊंगा उसको वहां से.
कैसे?
कैसे?
कैसे मतलब पहले गाली दूंगा फिर विराफ को बोलूंगा भैया.
नहीं है.
ये हमेशा विराम क्यों होता है यार?
एक सेकंड.
विराम हर जगह क्यों होता है?
बट यू जस्ट सेड कि हम चारों घूम रहे हैं.
नहीं,
नहीं
तुम
यार,
अकेले और हम अकेले. मजा आ रहा है कसम से. सॉरी वो गाना याद.
हाँ बता. तू क्या करेगा?
What would you
विराम?
do?
आई वुड नॉट हिट.
मैं दो तरीके से ऑपरेट करूंगा.
He would not hit. He said. हाँ, okay.
बट इफ ही tries to touch you then I'll physically.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
If he touches you, if he tries to touch you,
He is trying to touch her. He's telling her, चल मेरे साथ. I'm going to do you.
फिर तो मुंह तोड़ दूंगा उसका.
कैसे? एक एक्शन दिखा कैसे? Yes, you. Please, you
Virat?
continue doing.
Yeah.
Say.
Of course, fight it out. One. But if that guy is not in his senses, which means if he's drunk or something, then just sort of
you push him.
avoid him and just move on. If he is really in
Threatening.
his senses,
What if he says मैं तेरे को गोली मार दूंगा, उसको मेरे गाड़ी में आने दे? What will you do? Don't
You
laugh.
have-
ऐसा होता है?
you have to fight it out.
सर ये वाले दरवाजे से.
You have to fight it out.
गोली मार देगा.
You
फिर
have to
गोली-
तो
deal
शहीद
with
हो
it.
जाएगा.
गोली खाएगा मेरे लिए.
शहीद तो नहीं होगा.
और नहीं तो क्या?
अभी भी तो गोली खा रहा है वो एंटी डिप्रेसेंट.
नहीं वो तेरा पति है. तू कंफ्यूज मत हुआ कर
Sorry,
यार.
sorry. Guys,
Baby, be clear on this.
I'm just
podcast.
clearing
But
it
I
out
have
again.
अभी मैं
ये
तानों
मेरा
की
पति
गोली
है,
खा रहा हूँ.
वो उसका पति है.
But we want to do this episode because बहुत सारे सिंगल लोग हैं और उन्होंने हमसे एक्चुअली ये क्वेश्चन पूछा हमारे उसमें कि
हमारे उसमें प्लीज मेंशन हमारे किस में.
हमारे मल्टीपल ऑर्गेनिजम्स इंस्टाग्राम चैनल पे जो एक बहुत ही क्यूट सा प्राइवेट सा चैनल है विच यू कैन जॉइन. वहाँ पे हमसे पूछा गया है कि तुम लोगों ने हम जैसी लड़कियाँ कैसे पटाई. आई थिंक पीपल रियली वांट टू नो दैट हाउ टू गेट वाइव्स like this.
How did we? Virat bhai, why don't you go ahead and?
How did we get girls like them?
Yeah.
Yeah, girl like her.
What is the question?
How
Like
did you
her.
get her, and how did I get?
We'll come to the before
It
and
was
after.
the most adorable process. I mean, I just had. I'm that. What's the right word? That you have to kiss your frogs before you find your prince. It's true for boys
Did he
also.
just call me a frog?
Yeah. No, he kissed a lot of frogs, and then he found a princess.
And I was the frog most of the time, which means I used to screw up a lot in relationships. And by the time I got Saloni in my life, I was what, 38, and I had a lot of mishaps in my relationship, so I knew at least ye basics to must screw up karna. So I brought all those learnings to my interaction with her, and it sort of is bearing fruit even today. देखो आज भी कितने ताने मार रही है and all of that. She's behaving so recklessly, but I got this, bro,
Mind games.
and I got her. That's how I got.
She lived very close to me.
This episode is basically the before and after of marriage. ठीक है, अभी तुम लोग को 4 साल होने वाले हैं शादी के, हमें 5 साल होने वाले हैं शादी के. उससे पहले तुमने 2-3 साल डेट किया?
हमारा अभी 7th year हो जाएगा of relationship.
हाँ, और हमारा 8th. I think हम तुमसे 1 साल पहले.
We
ही
have
मिले थे.
crossed the 4-year itch.
But tell me, what was the first impression that you had of each other, and how is that changed now?
I'm so very lucky because I feel like for me, and I'm not joking, I'm not saying this to impress her, but honestly,
You don't need to anymore.
yeah, it's too late. मतलब अभी कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला.
नहीं बच्चा नहीं अभी तक. It's not that late yet. So be careful.
But I used to always, whenever I used to see her as a friend, and never like, I'll be like, yeah, if I find somebody like this, even 10, 15, 20%, I'll be very happy in life. So for me, that kind of how she was as a person, very funny, very chirpy, comfortable, and yeah.
And now how has that changed?
Now
Tell
that
me
is a little
honestly, I
problem.
know everything. If you lie, I will press the
I'm
button.
still chirpy.
She's very chirpy.
Very
She's very too.
दूर से देख के लगता था chirpy is nice.
She's too pretty.
हाँ.
But यही होता है ना, like when the beginning of the relationship, those were trait inversion बोलते हैं ना उसको.
हाँ.
अच्छा.
Same चीज तुम्हें unfunny लगने लगती है. Not unfunny, irritating लगने लगती है.
Correct.
They like, अरे ये तो कितना मजाक करती है, अरे कितना मजाक करेगी यार. Serious हो जा. What the fuck are you doing यार? I am asking you, why the fuck did you do this? You can't keep making jokes about it. Everything is not joke. So that has changed. But that has not changed. It's just that my perception of it has changed.
Basically, you're irritated with everything I do now.
Not with everything. Most
And
of
what
it.
is that one thing you still love that has been consistent?
Everything. Most of it. कुछ याद नहीं आ रहा है.
Because
Okay, while you think, I'll come back to you. You'll answer.
he has to
What?
answer.
What
What
was
is
the
the
question you had asked? ये हमेशा इसका question ही है. What is the question?
What was the thing that you loved in the beginning but
Has
Now
now,
it has-
changed or
flipped?
what has changed and what has stayed consistent?
Okay,
Yeah.
the way she said something in the beginning was very cute. Now the same thing can be annoying like that,
Yeah.
or and vice versa, whatever. Is there something?
I
like
think she was a little more careful about how she was conducting herself in the relationship because she was worried about the relationship. She wanted the relationship. Now it's like
Zero
शादी
fucks.
हो गया, बच्चा हो गया. So if I nudge her towards any kind of change or anything, it takes a long time to take effect.
What kind of change?
Instead of having a mound of mess like this, she would have the mess.
It was,
एक
It
जगह
was
पे mess.
organized chaos.
Organized chaos.
it was concentrated in one location.
Yeah. But what she's gotten better at a lot of stuff.
basically. Yeah.
Lot of.
वो भी बोलो ना फिर.
So have you.
हाँ तो बोलो ना फिर.
I'm waiting for him to complete.
Like the fact that she just took the bull by the horns and did the podcast.
हैं?
Took the bull by the horns.
And जो भी है करो
He took on the challenge.
कि करो.
Like that.
Bet.
Yeah, and she's
Don't.
become more
You don't.
expressive and holds her own. That is also there.
You hold your own.
Yeah, finally I've reached a point where I hold my own. I was
You
a very
don't hold others.
I was a pushover. No, I hold others also.
Hold
It
others
depends on
also.
my mood. But I
Yeah.
used to be a pushover. I don't think I am anymore. Now I'll be like, नहीं, मेरे को नहीं अच्छा लग रहा तो नहीं अच्छा लग रहा. And I think Viraf, I don't think he says it, but sometimes he's taken aback because earlier I used to listen to him a lot more. I don't. He'll
आजकल
say
तू
do
ना
this, I would
बोलती
just
है.
do it. Now I'm just like, but why? So, and he's saying it for my benefit only. But now I question whatever I need to question. I think I'll
So
reach
then I go
that.
to ChatGPT.
to
My
explain
wife is
to
asking
me.
me why. Tell me how to explain to my wife.
Chat
Then I
GPT in
explain.
our arguments is
Oh,
when I am
shit.
talking,
My
I
biggest
am
complaint.
correct.
My biggest complaint.
I am
Can I
correct.
complain? Can I
Yeah, yeah,
complain?
yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Please, can I
Yeah,
complain?
yeah. You can come to your wife's
Yes.
podcast and complain
ये
about
कौन है
her
वो?
and then go home
Sam
with her.
Altman कौन है भाई? कौन है वो?
Sam Altman.
Sam Altman भाई તમે આ શું કીધું છે? My wife doesn't speak to me.
Sam Altman is Gujarati.
अरे
It's
no
okay. He
यार.
has AI. He'll
What?
translate it.
What did he say?
What?
Because my wife doesn't speak to me. Earlier she would ask me 5 questions.
Now she just asked Chat GPT.
Yeah.
एक second. Between him and I, कौन अपने AI असिस्टेंट जो लड़की की आवाज सेट कर रखी है? हाँ?
तूने seriously?
लड़की की
Nice.
आवाज है और फॉरेनर लड़की की
हाँ.
आवाज है और उससे क्वेश्चंस पूछता है. Hey ChatGPT, and then she says, yes, Viraf. Yeah, Viraf.
Are you jealous?
And he says, can you please talk like more human? Like, can you add more uhs and ums in your conversation? So
don't
when
talk
she's
like-
talking, she's like, Sunny.
To make it sound more human.
अब ये
idea,
क्या
bro.
बात हुई
Yeah.
यार?
I
मेरे
said
साथ
hesitate.
add uhs and ums.
Less
मतलब there was a
sensitivity.
time where we are in bed before sleeping and he's talking to his AI assistant in a fucking लड़की का अंग्रेजी
What is he
आवाज.
asking the AI assistant?
Hey ChatGPT, what is the political situation? And he's just getting stimulated.
You know what? You can't understand a thing he's saying to ChatGPT.
For example, my core question arises from the debate between classical physics and quantum physics. In the sense, on the large scale, we are all atoms, molecules, gas.
It's a really interesting and deep question. So, at the quantum level, particles indeed behave probabilistically.
But at least I am chatting. I don't need a male voice to answer back to me.
You know, eroticas are coming out, by the way.
Excuse.
Hello.
You guys,
Third party
करो ना, आप
conversations
करो ना,
outside.
आप करो ना, करो ना.
एक second. Why is your ChatGPT not a male voice?
Maybe I use
a
like
valid
4-5 AI apps. One of them speaks
She's
like
fighting with it.
I am telling all your AI apps are female voices.
हाँ, but default है ना female for
हाँ.
males.
Okay, इसी बात पे fighting पे आते हैं. पहले कैसे fighting होती थी और अब कैसे होती है? और तुम कैसे how has your fighting the communication evolved?
Yeah. Is there a
Has it
difference?
gotten worse or better?
It was very good, then it went very bad, and now it's gone very good again.
Thanks for the graph.
So it had nothing to do with dating versus marriage. It was
No,
just
initially you are like, अरे I can't say this यार, थोड़ा you have to hold back, मतलब irritate होता
हाँ,
है.
like तुमने-
फिर एक बार move in हो गए, सब हो गया, शादी भी हो गई, मतलब अब तो कहाँ ही जाएगा. And now I think we've realized that more than conflict resolution कैसे कर रहे हैं हम, which is very quick by the way. हम दोनों में ये एक चीज है कि we don't.
हाँ, क्योंकि तू मुझे अकेला ही नहीं छोड़ता. Immediately sorry
हम
बोलना.
हमारा
Immediately
ऐसा है कि
conflict
भाई एक
resolution.
घंटे में, आधे घंटे में हमें.
But वो तो healthy है.
अब
पर मुझे
हेल्दी है या
कभी-कभी
नहीं
ऐसा
मुझे नहीं
लगता
पता,
है
बट
कि
हमारा
immediately
है.
अगर तुम्हें कॉन्फ्लिक्ट रिजॉल्व करना है ना, तो उसके बाद जो एक्चुअल बातें होनी चाहिए, जो मैं भी सोच सकती हूँ, मुझे अपनी गलतियों का एहसास ही नहीं होता, क्योंकि ये पहले आके सॉरी बोल देता है. अभी सॉरी बोल दिया तो मैं क्यों सोचूं अपनी गलती के बारे में? नहीं सोचूंगी मैं.
तो बोल देता हूँ सॉरी.
और फिर वो मुझे बोलता है कि मैं अकाउंटेबल नहीं हूँ. अरे तो टाइम तो दो. क्यों नहीं हो
एक
अकाउंटेबल?
सेकंड, बट पहले भी ये होता था या ये अब शादी के बाद ज्यादा होता है? पहले डेटिंग
पिछले रिलेशनशिप्स में
वो तो खत्म हो गया यार. देख क्लियरली पता लग रहा है कैसे होता था.
नहीं, but you're saying how are fights before marriage?
Before marriage and after marriage, how does the fighting and the conflict resolution change? Like, let's talk about fighting first. We'll
the
come to
biggest thing
मैं घर
is
चली
that-
जाऊंगी versus मैं.
Yeah. You cannot
अभी
threaten
तो
to
तुम्हारा
leave
ही
the
घर है.
relationship or leave the house. I used to pack my bags. After that, he only started opening my cupboard and removing clothes. Yeah. Now after marriage, he's like, जा कहाँ
एक दिन रात को मेरे को
किधर जाएगी तू? तेरे पास कोई है ही नहीं, कहाँ जाएगी?
नहीं ऐसा नहीं, ऐसे नहीं बोला मैंने.
नहीं, not
वो ऐसे
कोई
कई
नहीं.
बार मेरे को बोलती थी मैं जा रही हूँ. किस चीज पे झगड़ा हुआ है? कुछ तो मतलब मैंने रिमोट कुछ हुआ है. It has gone like
Escalated,
berserk.
हाँ.
For no reason.
हाँ.
तो मैं जाऊंगी मैं बोला ठीक है मैं छोड़ देता हूँ तेरे को. तो मैंने छोड़ा
no,
इसको.
no. Now
घर
he preempts-
मैं छोड़ के गया.
हाँ.
He preempts it now. He opens the cupboard.
मैं खोल देता हूँ. मैं बोला चलो मैं आपको help
Like I
करता हूँ.
know you're
चलो,
going to
कपड़े-
say मैं छोड़ने वाली हूँ,
And
तो
she
मैं.
and this is obviously I will not do it every time, but I also reached a point like चलो ठीक है आपको छोड़ता. फिर छोड़ा उसको. फिर मैं आया. फिर आधे घंटे बाद घर पे आ गई. मैं कल सुबह जाऊंगी. मैंने बोला ठीक है.
हाँ, अभी बहुत लेट हो गया है. 3 बजे मैं
I
नहीं जा
also know she's going to calm down. Like I've realized one thing. Earlier I used to get very angry in fights, but now I've realized that what she's going through in that moment is very temporary. This is not what she feels. This is not her. This is not her true representation of what she's feeling. It's just anger right now over something very small. But it's real, but it will subside in like an hour. That's
Yeah.
how I deal with it.
Interesting. Viraf, have we changed our fighting patterns?
पहले fight नहीं करती थी because she was also wanting to be well behaved in the relationship. अब
That's
तो क्यों? बताओ.
Actually, मैं dating के time पे लड़ती ही नहीं थी.
Because she was being the well
तुम हो
behaved.
थोड़ी सी.
I have a people pleasing problem now. At least I had. So I would just not fight with him. But now I fight.
No, actually,
Yeah, you do.
it's a mix of both because earlier Saloni used to have this tendency to suppress her anger. It was a lot of contained anger. मेरे साथ ज़्यादा I used to be able to deal with it. Now she's learning to be more of herself, so less of suppression, anger, and she vocalizes that.
But do you think that's a good thing?
It's a good
that she
thing.
started expressing
Of
when
course,
before
it's a
she
good
didn't
thing. And
actually speak.
that's why, like yesterday night, we were.
We fought last night.
I wasn't a fight. She was just badly behaved. But
That is such a. I love this about an older man dating a younger girl. The words
Married.
badly behaved. No, married. Sorry, married.
no, that's
The
which
words
she,
badly behaved will only come in a relationship like this. Badly behaved.
What
I
does
love
that mean, badly
it.
behaved?
You are badly behaved.
Okay, let me tell them what happened. I will tell you I was badly behaved, okay? So I have come home after a workout, everything, whatever, and I'm sitting there and Viraf has told me 4 things that are wrong about me. Okay?
You've asked?
No. He's saying ki, baby, I think you need to work out. You're putting on weight again. You need to, I can see your tummy coming out. So you need to start taking this thing more seriously. Your podcast episode came out today. Your hair was not looking nice. You have to do something about your hair.
that.
So the thing is that he's pointing out these 4 things and he's doing it in a way ki, to help me.
Bura
So
na lage.
I'm accepting of it. I'm like, हाँ ठीक है, okay. I called up Manvi instantly ki chal, I need to fix my hair, this, that. After that conversation was over, I was like, Viraf, now please say 2 things nice about me. Okay. So he's like, why? I said, just say na. I want to hear something
Balance it
nice
out.
about me. Yeah, because I'm feeling like shit. Bro, he didn't say it. You know what he said? He said, थोड़ा मुश्किल हो रहा है, आ नहीं रहा.
Are you saying it as a joke? Obviously he was joking, but yeah.
He was joking.
But
how
One
else- how
second,
else
you
to get a
joke for
goat, yeah.
5 minutes, and then he's asking
Yeah.
me also. Okay, so then थोड़ा सा मुश्किल हो रहा है, whatever. He's gone to his phone. Now it's been half an hour. I'm sitting there only, and I'm like, Viraf, can you please say something nice about me? I need to hear 3 nice things. Please say.
2 से 3 हो गया.
2 या 3 जो
अभी आधा घंटा पास भी तो हो गया
I'm
यार,
out.
दे दे यार.
Please मेरे बारे में 2 अच्छी चीजें बोल दे, मेरे को अच्छा लगेगा. मेरा मूड बहुत खराब हो रहा है.
He's fucking with you.
बताता हूँ. Gone back to his phone. 4 घंटे तक इसने वो एपिसोड को खींचा है, इतना खींच दिया कि रात को कल मैं सोफे पे सोई हूँ. I have gotten so pissed, and he would never do this when we were
सोफे
dating.
पे पहुंची कैसे वो बताओ.
तुम बता दो. तुम्हें कोई कंप्लेन है तो तुम बताओ ना.
हाँ बोलो
So
ना.
वो गई बेडरूम में, फिर वो अपना बेडरूम सेट कर रही थी और फिर बाहर आई. वो देखो विराफ, तुम अपना रूल तोड़ रहे हो. तुमने बोला था 10 बजे तक बेड पे होना चाहिए हमको, कीप अ स्लीपिंग शेड्यूल. ये वो तुम खुद का रूल तोड़. मैं बोला बेबी मैं 1 मिनट में आया हूँ. Saloni has put on a movie.
I wanted to watch a pick me
Nobody
pick me up
asked you.
movie. It was Dangal.
Nobody asked you.
मैंने कहा मुझे कुछ
Nobody
Yeah.
asked you. Dangal
अच्छा, like
is
Dangal is
picking
a
up.
great
good, yeah.
So she feels like yes, मैं भी हूँ
Like-
कुछ.
Dangal is
मेहनत
great
के
film.
बाद जीत है. हाँ, it's a great.
हमारी
Great film
बेटियाँ
तो पिक
बेटों
किया
से कम है क्या?
मैंने दंगल लगाई है कि मुझे अच्छा फील
Pick me up
करना है.
daddy वाला सीन था.
Literally pick me up.
She picks her up, daddy up and throws him on the.
Dangal is
I
not
know
something
it's
I
a-
would choose, so that's interesting.
But anyway, Dangal.
No, I would choose Dangal. Dangal's a great film.
Did I ask you? I love you, baby. Sorry, baby. It was just really funny to say it right now.
अच्छा सुनो
Don't
ना,
hit me at home,
घर
please.
पे बताता हूँ.
पिक्चर चल रही है, वो भी बीच में से कहीं से शुरू हो गई है. It's not like दंगल पिक्चर चल रही
क्योंकि मैंने आधी दिन में देख ली.
है. दिन में देखी. पिक्चर चल रहा है. Okay. She's watching till we all settle down and all of that. I settle into bed. I pulled the कंबल over me. Now I'm waiting. Because अदब से तो रूल के हिसाब से मैडम को टीवी ऑफ करना चाहिए, लाइट ऑफ कर देनी चाहिए.
Adab.
यू नो रूल तो हमने ही बनाया और उसके एक दिन पहले हम दोनों ने डिस्कस किया कि वी बोथ हैव टू हेल्प ईच अदर फॉलो दिस रूल एंड ऑल दैट. इट कैन नॉट बी जस्ट माय
What is
रिस्पांसिबिलिटी.
the rule again? 10 बजे बेड में सब बंद.
गो ट्राई एंड हिट द बेड
Start
बाय
unbinding
9:30
at 10.
10.
Start
Start like no screen. We can talk to each other. She can read.
I love that.
5 a.m. club.
That will be so much fun to do. We should do it. We should try.
Yeah.
Try.
तो
हाँ.
मैडम ने रूल तोड़ा. पहले तो टीवी देख रही है, दंगल, आमिर खान. और आमिर खान का दंगल आई फाइंड वन ऑफ माई बेस्ट मूवीज, लाइक फेवरेट मूवीज. मैं भी देख रहा था 2 मिनट. नहीं मैं सो जाता. मैं सो गया 4 मिनट, 5 मिनट, 6 मिनट, 8 मिनट.
And I swear, I want to add this.
One
you won't
second,
believe
you're my
me.
version.
Don't yell.
Let her add. Add.
हाँ, thank you. That you won't believe me now, but I swear when you said कि ये क्या कर रही हो, when you went there,
She was
I
just-
2 seconds before that I was
Why are
like
you
ये last scene है,
preempting my
इसके बाद मैं
story?
बंद करती हूँ.
Anyway, बात हो गई और गाना खत्म हो गया, अब सीन भी शुरू हो रहा है, and I'm thinking like she'll shut the TV now, shut the TV, shut. And she's in no mood to shut the TV. Now I can sense it कि तुमने मुझे कॉम्प्लीमेंट दिया, अब मैं रूल तोड़ूंगी वाला सिचुएशन हो गया है. So I just woke up and I said, क्या कर रही हो? कुछ प्रॉब्लम है?
Say it how
It's
you
a-
said it.
मैंने कहा क्या कर रही हो?
Say it
क्या
how
हो
you
गया?
said
ठीक
it.
है, कुछ are you dealing with something? Are
Say it how you said it.
triggered with something? Are you upset about something? क्या है? Are you? हाँ. So she said, I'm dealing with something. I said, then go out and deal with it.
Oh, can you believe it?
He told me क्या है,
मैं अपने
I'll tell
दोस्त
you
के
what.
लिए आवाज
and I'll
उठाऊंगी.
tell you how he said it.
अच्छा,
He
let
said-
him complete first.
हाँ, you
Then
complete,
you
complete.
give your point of view.
I'll tell you why. All this has come after a lot of history. So the rules Madam likes in her bedroom is that if I'm watching YouTube news just before sleeping, I like to catch up or something, I have to shut it because Madam has started to sleep. So she'll make sounds of a whale.
I can't see with the TV sound. But
Yeah,
that's okay. I
so
don't.
even, I can't even soften
Suddenly
it.
sounds like a whale.
She did a duck also in the previous episode.
So I can't even like put the volume
Hey, you stick
low.
to last night, na? Why you?
I
Then I'll
can't-
also
ये
open
full
the.
history में चले
हाँ.
गए.
I can't keep the TV on, in the lights off, watch my stuff and put it off. No, because she wants complete stillness, darkness, whatever.
To
Which is
sleep.
fine. Which is fine. And I was like, ठीक है यार, I have to sleep in the room with her and I have to honor her comfort also. But I am sleeping और दंगल चले जा रहा है 10 मिनट. That has to be accounted for.
नहीं 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 एक सेकंड तो मुझे बोलता है ये क्या कर रही हो तुम what is it what is wrong now you're breaking on dude are you dealing with something are you upset about something what is it so I looked at him and I said yeah I am upset about something I'm not feeling so go out and deal with it na I'm
Oh.
sleeping go out and deal with whatever you're dealing with and I was just like
तूने oh.
I was so hurt. I was like, what? I switched off the TV, I picked up my book and I fucked off. And while I was fucking off, he has realized what he's done. So he's telling me, oh, talk about it.
और भी क्या है?
Right before I have exited.
जाते
Okay?
जाते oh.
Right before I have.
भी तो कर सकते हैं.
He
बात
has
कर ले तो बात कर
realized.
ले.
That's
So
really
right
funny.
before I have left, he's like, oh, talk to me about
नहीं,
it.
no.
मैंने
because
दरवाजा पटका,
मैंने
मैंने तू-
because I realized that she has trouble with regulation, so I have to remind her that she has an option.
No, this is not about regulation.
option
Viraf,
is
you
right,
cannot
no?
speak like that.
Oh, Viraf.
ऐसे करके चली गई मैं.
Just started eating.
Viraf, come on, I'm living with.
Viraf,
Every response doesn't have
Thanks,
to be
Viraf.
there.
Viraf, you are ruining your
That
own
was,
case, huh? You're showing your. Eh!
That was
What a rollicking episode, isn't it? हाँ, but
So,
every
before, but
domestic
before,
violence in
when
this
we were,
तो सोचो बेडरूम में क्या हुआ होगा.
I can imagine.
but
I
before,
can-
sorry.
nobody's become that before. When we were dating, there was, it was, if I was dealing with something, there was always attention to my pain. Like it was never like, okay, fine, then deal with it. But after marriage, now it's become like, 2-3 घंटे बाद he'll come to me. Like he'll be like, हाँ ठीक है, तू गुस्सा है तो अपना deal कर. Maybe he's regulating himself in that moment also. I don't know.
मैं आधा घंटा हो गया. अभी ये बाहर ही सो रही है या बैठी है, क्या होता है? I went to check on her. She तो सो गई है.
सो गई.
मैं सोफे पे जाके सो
हाँ.
गई. मैंने कहा मेरे को नहीं रहना इसके साथ आज.
So हाँ, तो
आज.
फिर
आज अभी.
फिर मैंने उसको उठाया. गुड गुड चल.
मैं चली भी गई.
और ये आ गई. फिर ये जब लेट
हमारा कोई
गई,
सेल्फ वर्थ ही नहीं है.
लेट गई.
नहीं पर मैं जब लेटी तो
फिर
फिर
मैं उसके कान में the best girl in the world.
we said you're the best and then he hugged
Oh,
me and
6 घंटा wait कराया to say one good thing.
हाँ,
Wow, I
then
like
she-
that. I
हाँ,
like
then-
that. पकड़
फिर
में
नहीं,
रखो.
एक बोलूंगा.
फिर वो मैं लेट गया. उसका भी हाथ आया. फिर
हाँ, बस आगे मेरे को नहीं जानना है. बस I
कहाँ
got
आया,
it.
कैसे
हुआ
आया?
मेरे
हाँ,
पास हाथ
नहीं,
ही आया.
हाँ.
अरे उसका
I get
हाथ
it,
क्यों
I get
पकड़ता
it,
है
I
यार?
get it.
तो मैंने बस इसका हाथ पकड़ा. Then we went to sleep and then in the morning I was in a very bad mood because of the machars, not because of him. I had resolved that. So in the morning when I was in a bad mood, he thought, "Are you still in a bad mood because of me?" I said, "No, it was just because I haven't slept."
Coming back to the whole fighting aspect, I feel like what has changed drastically with us is we know each other's triggers so well that हम एक दायरे में रह के झगड़ा करते हैं और उसमें फिर हम खुल जाते हैं लेकिन वो दायरा कभी क्रॉस नहीं होता like he knows and it could be something very basic which he may have said to me once and he didn't realize कि यार ये कैसा reaction है to something so simple like you're behaving like a child. I hate it when he says I'm behaving like a child क्योंकि
Child बोल दिया
मुझे
तो
ऐसे
बहुत-
मुझे I think बचपन से ही ऐसा लगता है
Which
हाँ
I'm
no
like,
but it is
you're
not
proving
even
my
that
point and that's it.
it's worse my reaction to it is way
So
worse
basically, you're a Tiger Shroff fan. बच्ची हो क्या?
हाँ
yeah he can't say छोटी बच्ची हो क्या to me
जब वो इतना गुस्सा हो जाता है कि उसके पास कुछ नहीं होता
he uses it he uses it against me also if he wants to trigger me sometimes in a fight he will use it
How crafty. I really appreciate
Yeah.
that.
what triggers you interesting I never thought about that
बुड्ढा है क्या?
he doesn't get that triggered I think volume he cannot take उसको ये भी वॉल्यूम बहुत ज्यादा रखता है when
No, I get,
very
मेरे को ऐसा
interesting
थोड़ा
coming from you
आराम से
your normal decibel level is only very high but he does not
volume I
like it
can't
when
take
I
like
start
anyone shouting in the house.
वो ऐसे हो जाता है ऐसे थोड़ा
Vira, what is your trigger?
You should know.
I don't.
what's her trigger I'm sure you have many at the top of your head
Any physicality will of course trigger her, but not that I do that. I just know of that.
Physicality
मतलब-
touch कर लिया तेरे को ऐसा hold कर लिया अच्छा got it,
Aggression थोड़ा.
अच्छा got it. Oh,
even if
अच्छा.
it's like love वाला aggression जो एक
Also,
Yeah. No, I don't like that.
I think she
don't
doesn't
it.
like being talked down to.
I hate being talked down to. You fucking nobody talks down to me.
talk down meaning
but for someone
बच्ची
who
हो
is
क्या? समझ में
oh
नहीं आया
patronize
क्या?
oh like that अच्छा.
but
कब से
again
समझा रहा
same ना
हूँ, समझ
बच्ची
में
हो
नहीं आ
क्या
रहा तुझे?
So what's your trigger point? Her trigger point is physicality and
Talking
just
down.
talking down. What is his trigger point?
I think just passive aggression, which I have a lot of.
yeah
What is क्या हुआ है? कुछ नहीं हुआ है. I think that really pisses him off because for the longest time I thought ठीक है मैं कुछ मार थोड़ी रही हूँ मैं चिल्ला थोड़ी रही हूँ and he was like ये भी violence है.
yeah that's very
ये
interesting
भी
what you told
violent
me
है.
about
तुझे क्या लगता है वायलेंस सिर्फ वो है जो चीखता है और जो मारता है? नहीं, जो ऐसे बिहेव करता है वो भी साइलेंट ट्रीटमेंट भी वायलेंट
what is that word stone balling
स्टोन
Balling.
बॉलिंग
Stone balling.
हर
Stone
चीज में
balling.
बॉल घुसाना है तुमको.
Stone balling is a fun game though.
स्टोन बॉलिंग एंड या आई थिंक दैट रियली पुट्स हिम ऑफ कि बात करो ना, बोलो ना क्या प्रॉब्लम है, मुंह से बोलो ना. नहीं बोल रहे हो तो लाइक बिफोर व्हाट वाज द एफर्ट यू यूज्ड टू पुट इन लाइक प्लानिंग डेट्स, ग्रूमिंग, एंड हाउ हैज दैट चेंज्ड?
There was more effort. What on the top of my head, more effort obviously like planning trips.
can you
Yeah.
do that for the camera
What?
for the camera
What?
what you're doing
Your clothes is here.
Just had some yummy makhana.
yeah
हाँ.
continue
What happened?
he was licking his fingers
Acha, oh.
very passionately
Triggered. Just triggered.
yeah it's
Good
triggering
trigger.
ha sorry continue
Same. Like what you used to put in more effort. Something about traveling you were saying.
Yeah, more effort to go out, plan trips, plan dates.
We used to do that pehle.
Pehle we used to do that.
he used to plan man he used to plan dates he would pick me up and he would get me a flower
Really?
and he would
How
take me out
nice.
on like these
But then we moved in
interesting
together and then
dates.
our honeymoon period was COVID ना. तो COVID में तो कहीं जा नहीं सकते थे.
very convenient
सब कुछ हो गया हमारा COVID में actually सही हो गया वो. Just
तेरे कितने
accelerated.
पैसे बचे ना, तेरे को डेट पे नहीं ले जाना पड़ा कुछ नहीं. विराट ने तो मुझे मिलते ही बोल दिया था, I don't have time to date. In the first
हो
week.
गया था उसका अभी कितना ही डेट
He said मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है तेरे को मूवी ले जाने का, डिनर ले जाने का, आके रह ले मेरे साथ. और मैं भी रह ही ली. मैं एक भी डेट पे, आज तक हम डेट पे नहीं गए, प्रॉपर डेट जहाँ इसने मुझे पिकअप किया हो.
क्योंकि हमारा बेसिक ही इतना एक्साइटिंग है.
oh wow
We don't need these movie
Yeah, all
dates.
of
See,
that
this is how he gaslights me into believing कि I don't need it only. मैं 4 साल से रो रही हूँ कि मुझे डेट पे नहीं लेके
baby
जा.
aren't we having so much fun like
Baby,
right now
yeah, our base is so much fun.
एक
We don't
होता
need
है
it.
ओवर थेरेपाइज्ड, एक होता है मिस थेरेपाइज्ड. This is a very good example.
So I want to talk about the effort we used to put in before and
करता
after
हूँ,
marriage.
करता
Like if you would have done this before marriage, you would have been single.
I'm so sorry guys
Sorry guys.
This definitely don't do. before marriage.
No,
you
but
would not get married.
we used to do this before and after also. We talk to each other on a fake phone. And I
It's called role play?
We talk to update uncle and update auntie.
We have a
That's
character.
called role play, guys. I don't want to know
But
your role play.
update uncle and update
No,
auntie
but this
are
is
not us.
non-sexual. This is not
It's
sexual.
a random other person who we give updates to about the fact that he's
What we
not
are
said I love you to me. So I'm like, hello update auntie. The update is that he doesn't love me.
And she
It's-
gets
this is
triggered
the
when I
time.
tell her she's a
And
child.
then he calls update uncle.
So you call the uncle and you call the auntie.
Of course.
Guys, change it around. Call the uncle and call the auntie. It'll be so much of fun. Okay.
Yeah.
So I know with girls, the effort, one very low hanging fruit, literally, is that I would say that the effort girls put in before marriage is that they get a bikini wax, and post marriage they just don't. And I'm generalizing because
I agree. I agree.
Like I had said in the previous episode with Sunny in it, that it's like Velcro.
Arish!
No, you're like, why are you only Virat Kohli? I'll also make sure there's something about me that
So
reduces-
that you can तुम अपने आप को देख सको.
Yeah, she would have the no makeup look when she would wake up also. मैं अभी उठ के आई हूँ and I'm
I
like,
have
why
done
is she
this.
looking
Listen,
so?
I used to do this when I was staying with him initially. I was so conscious of my freckles, which eventually he looked at and he's like, your freckles are so beautiful. I was like, okay, fuck it, no more morning routine. I used to wake up and he's sleeping, go into the loo and do like a concealer, put a little blush.
But I think a lot of girls are doing
And
that.
then I would go back and sleep.
मैंने इसके मैंने
I would
इसके
wake up, oh, good morning.
मैंने इसके freckles मैंने 4 महीने बाद देखे. मैं बोला भाई ये तो कितने सुंदर ये कहाँ थे?
ये कहाँ से आ गए? I was like, I'm so sorry. I was very apologetic of them and he said, that's the most beautiful thing about you.
Wow.
I was like,
Yeah, I was like, where the
what
fuck
is
were
wrong
they?
with this man?
Wow.
So yeah, I used to do that, yeah.
Since we're talking about bikini wax and all, let's talk about sex before and after. How has that changed? Or has that changed?
course
And
it
I'm not
has to
talking about the
change, yeah.
initial honeymoon period, because honeymoon period you're having lots of sex, okay? It's different.
Like 4 times in a day.
Yeah, no. What?
हाँ? Baby, मेरे साथ.
I'm talking about honeymoon with him.
With me, baby, not
Not any other
any
honeymoon.
other guy.
4 times.
Huh?
But I think people struggle to come to terms with the fact that the so-called passion has a shelf life and you have to work on it
Yeah.
to keep it engaging for yourselves. This is true for a lot of people who are in relationships of 1 year, 2 year, 3 year. And then they feel a lot has changed.
And they need to
because-
like do things like make it exciting,
Yeah.
swap.
What? I guess that's where it comes from. So yeah, have sympathy for people who are swapping. Man.
Yeah, they're just trying to keep it spicy.
No, but you need to make that effort after a certain point in your marriage. Like you have to find new things. Now, whatever that.
The new thing will just be you.
The nicest
With a
thing
new
I
dressing
have
up.
heard from somebody, he said, treat sex like the gym. जाना ही है.
नहीं correct.
Johnny.
करना ही है कुछ भी नहीं. It makes so much. 3 times a week.
Treat
Try
sex
it.
like a
Whatever आपका जो भी संतुलन.
अरे आप महीने में एक बार करो, 4 बार करो, वो आपके ऊपर
That's a meme, dude.
Like gym को कैसे आप discipline
I want to do it once.
करने का मन
Treat sex like a gym.
And it feels
Shana.
good after that.
Everybody say it once. Treat sex like the gym. जाना ही है. सीधा
But it's
जाना.
different for men and women, ना. Like लड़कियों का चलता है सेक्स नहीं होएगा बहुत टाइम तक तो शादी के बाद पता नहीं क्यों चलता है बट चलता है आई थिंक दे आर जस्ट वायर्ड लाइक दैट आई एम जनरलाइजिंग इट देयर मे बी सम एक्सेप्शंस
And that is so explanatory.
explanatory of my sex
Expositionary.
life clearly but
No, not really. I think girls are also can be okay with it.
How do you know? You've not been in a long-term relationship with any girl.
That is also true. Whatever I have read, anecdotal evidence.
Viraf and I, when we were dating, Viraf and I have gone to this party, okay? And Viraf has, this is like initially, and I don't know anyone in that party. And Viraf is like, meet my girlfriend Saloni. And he looks at me and, ठीक है, वो party निकल गई. On the way back, he's like, was it okay for me to say, meet my girlfriend? Or should I have said, meet my partner? Or should I have just said Saloni because you have a separate identity? Wow. And I'm sitting there, I'm a North Indian दिल्ली का लड़की जिसने कभी ये सुना ही नहीं अपनी लाइफ में.
बोल मैं
एक
तेरी
तो ना ही
बंदी
तूने इंग्लिश सुना है ऊपर से ये सवाल इंग्लिश में.
मैंने कहा ये भी होता है क्या ऑप्शन लाइक ये तो मेरी है करके हम लोग इंट्रोड्यूस करते थे ये क्या है सो ही हैज
Wow,
legit
man,
given
तुम
me
पूरा का पूरा पाकिस्तान फ्लैग हो.
है ना?
पाकिस्तान पर पाकिस्तान का फ्लैग फुल ग्रीन नहीं है.
थोड़ा
ये
white
फुल ग्रीन थोड़ी है.
That's why they say boys played well.
Oh fuck, epic.
So इस entire episode का point क्या था? Just
पता नहीं.
before and
marriage.
after marriage का क्या point क्या था?
किसी भी पॉडकास्ट का आज के दिन में क्या
ही
point
point है?
हम क्यों कोई पॉइंट
This is the main point. Yes.
हम चाहते हैं कि लोग ये कॉन्वर्सेशन देख के सोचे कि यार दुनिया में है आइडियल लड़के हैं, ब्यूटीफुल लड़के हैं, लड़कियां भी
Flawed लोग भी
अमेजिंग
हैं.
हैं
और
flawed लोग भी है.
और चीजें चेंज होती है शादी के बाद, लेकिन इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि तुम शादी ना करो. It's actually good change sometimes. Like
Yeah.
it's
It's
great.
always for the good.
Oh, by the way, we'll put this over there. You had to answer what changed for the better in me. You only said bad.
No,
What
there are
about
a lot
good?
of. She has become very wise with her money compared to where she was.
Yeah, that's true.
That is much.
तुझे कैसे पता है?
We are business partners.
She was. It was not like she was very bad, but her like she's not seen that concept of saving,
She's
investing.
wise with her money. Is she
Yeah.
also wise with your money?
He doesn't give me his.
Oh, so
We
party
have
में.
separate finances.
No, I don't think I was, and I don't want to remind him of what I did with his 60,000 rupees with a certain machine.
Okay, what is the one thing that you wish from before had not changed? Everyone give their own answer.
I feel like when I was not in his life, he had more closer relationships and more like outside, like friends and
Social-
a better social life.
Social life.
And I think he became too domesticated with me, and like we enjoy our space together. But that has kind of stopped him from having that more social life outside, and it was thriving. His social life used to be thriving. I used to be jealous of how he was always somewhere. His friends also now complain a little. Not complain, but they say, "Acha, Srishti out of town gayi hai, isliye hai." Because that's when he then feels the need to get out and meet people. So I wish
Yeah.
that stayed, and I wish that comes back.
Maybe it
in
will
real
now
life.
that he knows. You guys?
I wish I listened to more music as much as I used to.
अरे
do
तुझे
it.
अपना नहीं बताना है, मेरा बताना है.
Oh, I thought this was about us.
तू अपना बिफोर क्यों बता रहा है? मेरा बिफोर कि अपने पार्टनर का बिफोर.
पर मेरे को
What
तेरा
about
उसके बारे में तेरा
Saloni?
मिल गया मुझे
What about-
आंसर.
पर यही प्रॉब्लम है, ये सोचता ही अपने बारे में.
Narcissist.
हाँ है.
हाँ, तेरे बारे में क्या है?
क्या फर्क पड़ता है, तू जैसी है
मैं
तो
वही सोच रहा हूँ क्या है ऐसा तेरे बारे में जो
Also, one more thing which may come across as very toxic, but I like when he takes ownership over me. Like when he just decides things for me, which he used to do before. When he would want me to come over, he would not be like, "Arey, aaja na please," or he would not request. He would just take my bag, hold my hand, and take me. And I would love that. I thought
Yeah.
that was like finally someone is just deciding what needs to be done with me.
Yeah.
Because I don't want to decide anymore.
अब तो तू घर आ गई अब मैं
और
कैसे
अब कोई
अब
डरता
कहाँ
है
ले
मुझसे,
जाऊँ?
पता नहीं क्यों, कि नहीं तेरे तुझसे पूछे बिना ना मैं तुझे गिफ्ट दूंगा, ना मैं तुझे कहीं ले जाऊंगा, ना मैं कुछ भी करूंगा. मुझे मत पूछ
What does
बेबी.
that
Just
mean?
do
What is
whatever
that
you want
trying-
with me without asking me.
Nice.
मतलब
Don't
ज़्यादा
take
agents-
consent.
ज़्यादा agency नहीं देने का.
Apart from the main thing that needs consent, everything else you can just do.
Apart from basically what things come in the house, I don't need consent
No,
for
no, no, no,
anything.
no, no. Aesthetics रहने दे.
हाँ, then
You know what I mean. Yeah.
Viraf, my before.
I think you're getting more and more amazing. I wouldn't want to change that.
Overcompensating for the fuck ups of last
But I have a
night
before.
and the things he may have
But
said
now that you've
today
said this, I
that
have
may
a
have
before.
What is that?
what were the things before?
Before he used to surprise me a lot more. Like there are times when I'm shooting in Delhi and on my birthday he has just turned up. And he used to do these amazing surprises which I feel have reduced over the years. They haven't completely stopped, he's still, but now it's a little like, हाँ ठीक है, whatever.
क्योंकि अब मैं ही सरप्राइज होते जा रहा हूँ ना.
किस चीज़ से surprise हो रहे हो तुम?
These marriage jokes never get
Under
old.
the
do they?
mustache.
I wish, thank you for saying marriage jokes. He has started cracking marriage jokes.
Like?
We have a problematic marriage. Like he wants to connect with people on marriage jokes and he'll say, हाँ हमारी मेरी बीवी तो मुझे बहुत मारती है, पर मैं नहीं मारती. It's so fucking irritating because it's not true.
But it's fun, na? That's why.
No,
also
you're
does it.
putting down your partner for a laugh in the
He
room.
tells his friend. He tells his friend. my wife now, she doesn't like when I go out anywhere. I fucking don't care. You please go.
मस्ती कर रहा है.
But he tells Dudeja, he keeps telling him, Aresh, she's fucking irritating.
Yeah.
Man, she doesn't want me to
पर
go
मैं उसके
anywhere.
सामने बोलता
Can I not have a boys' night out?
man.
He wants to connect with my patriarchal family, so he'll crack marriage.
And they want to also feel more masculine, na? They want to feel more macho.
But it's harmless. It's not like
So
I'm really-
harmless only. If it was harmful, we would not be sitting together.
Let's face it, marriage jokes has the widest audience.
Yeah, that's also true.
You have a very
Crack a
nice-
marriage joke. Let's see how many views we get. Crack it.
What's
Is there anything else you want to discuss in this episode?
No, we'll play
No,
a game now.
we'll do the next episode na,
Yeah.
after changing.
But we'll play a game now.
Yeah, we'll play a game.
Two girls play a game?
Yeah, two girls will play a game. No, but you
You
haven't
stop
said the
singing this
before.
song.
Well, the before I think I loved it when we traveled more together.
Not
just
we,
us.
me.
No, just us. I miss that.
No, but what is a behavior or a trait of mine that you
That if we
think
would
I
take
have
time
lost
out
and
to
Travel
with
together,
me.
just us. ठीक है
But
ना?
this is
never-
so to do with both of us. Why
But
can't it
it
be
is-
about just me?
I'm saying you only. You would
That
take
I
time
travel
out.
more with you, na?
But that's what he's also saying.
Why
na?
can't they ever just stop thinking about themselves?
Narcissistic.
I said such nice things to him about him.
चलो गेम खेलते हैं. क्या गेम थी? I'm going to send you the questions. You have to ask us. Should we sing the song?
Two girls play a game, play a game.
Okay. What is the game? The game is ki who knows their partner better. Okay. So you have to write the answers. So we have to verify.
Okay.
Okay. So basically, I have to write about you and you have to write about me. Huh? Not
Okay.
about Srishti. Just clarify.
Thanks for the
Okay.
clarification.
Let's go. Question number 1.
Yeah, this is too easy for him.
I'm done.
1 second, I'm writing mine or his?
His na. You have to. Do you know this about your partner?
But he needs to write his right answer also.
He needs to write his right answer. 1 second.
You need to
He-
write both.
Yeah.
Your right answer and my what you think
Comfort
mine
food,
is.
right? Shrishti's I've written. Mine-
Yours also.
Okay. What is the answer?
Sunny's
हाँ.
home food. Home food.
Home food.
Yeah,
That
घर
is
का
so
जो भी
generic.
घर पे बना है.
तूने क्या लिखा है?
Comfort food.
Home food. तूने क्या लिखा है?
मैंने Go Zero आइसक्रीम लिखा.
But that's not food, na?
किसका?
That's
तेरा या
dessert.
इसका?
इसका तो French fries है McDonald's.
हाँ, फ्रेड. ये तो बहुत इजी है. मैंने विराफ तुम्हारा लिखा है मम्स पीनट करी.
मैंने लिखा है पिज्जा.
Yeah. It's right. It's right.
Baby,
Okay,
come
next,
on,
next,
you have to
next.
match.
Baby, we are not ideal couples.
ठीक है, तू ये सुन ली.
First job was
This is easy, na?
Done?
हाँ.
Srishti, Bhavish's first job
Radio.
Correct.
and Srishti's first job.
Atul Mongia. Was it Neeraj Kabi? Theater wala. I had thought of it, but
Yeah, now it's too late. Now it's
It's
too late.
video.
but the thing is, that was not a job.
That was a job. I was getting paid 3,000
But
rupees a
that was
month.
internship.
Internship का भी तो पैसा मिलता
नहीं, but
3,000 a
internship is
month.
not considered a job. That's right.
Fine.
Okay,
But then
Virav,
I won.
I've written
I won.
yours
I
as
won.
Merchant Navy, right? Yours?
TCS.
No.
क्या किया उसने?
IBM. I was working in IBM before.
You were in IBM? Wow.
What's IBM?
Maybe IBM laptops आते हैं?
Business machines?
In
International
I don't know. Don't judge. See,
IBM.
both of y'all reacted the same way because both of you are the same, looking down at people and talking down to
It's
people.
true. आगे बढ़.
Both of you do this. I am.
Next. I know.
Their love language.
वो एक ही हम एक ही लैंग्वेज में बात कर रहे
Maybe love language is ordering.
What is my love language? I don't know my love language for him. Wow, that's so problematic. Virav, do I not do anything for you?
What is my love language?
हैं. तेरे को ही नहीं पता तेरा लैंग्वेज क्योंकि है ही नहीं.
Our love language is ordering food.
हाँ.
You've also written that?
And what is
his?
my love language?
Buying me gift on his birthday or writing letter.
Yeah, gift.
Buying gift on his birthday for you. That's so
It's
sweet.
stupid.
It's Bhavish, you can buy me a gift.
On his birthday.
It'll be so nice.
इसने तो नहीं दिया, मैंने बोला मैं ही दे देता हूँ.
इसका लव लैंग्वेज है मेरे लिए आधी रात को चाहे टाइम कुछ भी हो खाना बनाना.
Aww.
तूने क्या लिखा है लेकिन तूने ये लिखा है?
Cuddle.
क्या कडल?
Your love language to me.
Yeah. But have you written the food for
The most.
I'm not
the
writing
most
mine.
You have to now.
lazy activity. Nothing more you can do
I'm a
apart
very
from
cuddly
cuddle.
person. But Virafu, is it true? मैंने सही बोला? जवाब सही था कि गलत था?
Yeah, I think spot on.
Maybe we also were spot on.
You're good
Okay,
couples.
okay. Next. हाँ.
Favorite holiday destination? Oh yeah, but it's very tough.
Not yours and mine. Mine.
Viraf का favorite destination is Istanbul. He would like to go. है ना?
Oh, this is
Thailand.
Yeah. Oh, exactly what I've written.
Sunny is jungle. Any jungle.
I also written jungle.
And me?
Japan.
Yeah, of course. You're saving money for Japan. Good guys. We know each other. Last.
Best couples. I cannot say. हाथों की लकीरें नहीं है इसकी.
If Viraf had a date to himself, what would he do? Right now,
The same thing he does every single day. Because he.
If she was alone, right? If you were alone, you would just do one.
I know what I would do.
What I would do?
I know, baby. Which is what?
As is both of us is the same.
What is yours?
Watching reel in the bed.
Yeah, sleep.
Ah.
Sleep is right.
Ah.
Viraf, what would I do?
Little, bus.
Lays, have coffee, doom scroll and sleep.
Lays?
No, Viraf. I would do massage.
Lays, L-A-Z-E.
Oh,
I would do
God.
massage, Viraf.
Who
I would
wins,
do a day
who
of
wins the
massage.
best couples of the
But I have not said, na. If he had a date to himself, he would work.
Oh my fucking God, Viraf, please, man.
It's a problem. It's not a good thing.
Is it right or wrong?
It's right.
See, he would work or write.
But she has that energy. Whenever I meet her, also she's like, okay, let's work now. Don't have her around.
Well, I think we know decent amount. You basically.
Not that anybody who's watching cares.
Cares,
at
like,
all.
seriously.
But I
हमने ये
had fun.
पॉडकास्ट इसलिए शुरू किया क्योंकि हमको हमारे बारे में बात करनी थी और कोई हमें पूछ नहीं रहा
और
है.
दिखाना था कि हम अपने पति पत्नी को
हाँ,
कितना
देखो
अच्छे से
कितना
जानते हैं.
आइडियल लाइफ हम लीड कर रहे हैं.
ये
Wow.
बहुत important episode था क्योंकि there is a before and after marriage and.
That everyone knows.
Okay, bye. Fuck off. We'll see you in the next
Bye
episode. Bye.
guys. See you.
And 2 cups.
Tune in Monday to Friday, sometimes Sunday, and sometimes never.
Keep listening.
Bye.
Cheers.
Sayonara.
Alvida.
Arre.